Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to use Canva for UI/UX design. Canva provides an intuitive platform, making it accessible for designers of all experience levels. You can quickly create compelling user interfaces and experiences without needing complex software. Its vast library of elements and templates allows for rapid prototyping and iteration. This approach helps streamline your workflow, saving you valuable time and effort on every project. Canva offers several powerful features essential for UI/UX. You can choose from thousands of pre-designed templates, adapting them to fit your specific project needs. The platform provides a comprehensive collection of graphic elements, including icons and illustrations, to enhance your visual appeal. With brand kits, ensure your designs adhere to strict brand guidelines, maintaining consistency across all screens. Real-time collaboration allows for seamless teamwork, making design defensively. The Golden Knight is excellent for clearing ground swarms. His dash can quickly eliminate units like Skeleton Army or Goblin Gang, providing immense elixir advantage. You can also use his dash to kite and distract single-target troops, pulling them away from your tower while dealing damage. Proper placement is key to maximizing his defensive potential and protecting your tower. To enhance the user experience, focus on creating intuitive navigation within your Canva designs. Ensure that users can easily find what they need and understand how to interact with your interface. Consider adding visual cues and feedback elements, such as confirmation messages or clear error indicators. Always optimize your designs for various screen sizes, from mobile phones to large desktop monitors, ensuring responsiveness. Finally, share your prototypes for user testing to gather crucial feedback and refine your designs.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.